Hello everyone. Children, I hope all of you are fine and safe at your place. So let's start. This is second video of chapter 1 economics development. So far we have understood the meaning of development, and yesterday we concluded that development is an idea. Okay, and different people have different goals. Everyone have their own notions, right? Everyone have their own idea about development. Okay, so let's talk about some more questions related to the development. Development involves thinking about questions related to people's aspirations, desires, about what we would like to do and how we would like to live. ओके जब हम किसी इंडिविजुअल की बात करें चिल्ड्रन, तो हियर इट इज़ टोटली डिपेंड ऑन their aspirations, their desire, their willingness, how they would like to live, what they want to do, how they can improve their life. Okay, similarly when we talk about the development for a country, it will be how we can improve our infrastructure, what are the essential things that we required for the national development, how we can make life better for everyone. There should be peace and harmony, all the people should live together. Can there be more equality for everyone in the society? Okay, so these questions are related to the development, and national development and human development is two important aspects for the country's growth. Okay, when we are talking about the national development, obviously it will include some economical points, some economical aspects that we will go through in national development. Okay, development involves thinking about these questions and about the ways in which we can work towards achieving these goals. So that we will learn in this chapter, development. Okay, so children, with the help of table 1.1 yesterday in our chapter, we concluded that different persons have different developmental goals. Like we understood the development goal of particular boy who is youngster, and we have also learned the landless farmer, what are their developmental goals. Similarly, we have also gone through the developmental goals of a young girl in urban area. Okay, so basically different persons have different developmental goals that we concluded from that table 1.1. Understand? So you can see here in this table, with the help of these examples, landless rural laborers, they want more days of work and better wages. Local school is are able to provide quality education for their children. There is no social discrimination, and they too can become leaders in the village. Okay, so that is their developmental goal. ये एक landless rural laborer के लिए developmental goal होगा if he will achieve these things. Okay, similarly prosperous farmers from Punjab, if they will earn extra income from their harvest, they can send their children to abroad for their higher studies. Okay, so that they should be able to settle their children, and he can also arrange cheap labor for his uh, you know cultivation and for harvest. Okay, so if we achieve these goals, that will be developmental goal for a prosperous farmers from Punjab. So here one column is blank, that is yours. What will be your developmental goal? Please write it down, children, in comment box. What will be developmental goal for you, or you can tell me whenever we will have our offline class. Okay, you can see in this image industrialists also wanted more dams to get more electricity, because they required electricity for the machines, जिससे कि मशीनों को चलाने के लिए पावर सप्लाई की ज़रूरत होती है, और इंडिया में तो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी की बहुत प्रॉब्लम है. ठीक है, तो जिससे कि उनका मैन्युफैक्चरिंग जो है डिसरप्ट ना हो, दे वांट मोर डैम्स so that they can get electricity continuously for the manufacturing process. Okay, so that is their developmental goal. But at the same time, this dam can disturb our life and makes us homeless. So these people are basically those who are living at that particular place where the dam construction will be done. Okay, जो डैम कंस्ट्रक्शन साइट है उन जगहों पे, उन एरिया में रहने वाले जो आदिवासीज़ हैं या दलित्स हैं या विलेजर्स हैं, कोई भी हो सकता है, ठीक है. इफ़ दीज पीपल विल बी डिस्प्लेस फॉर द डैम कंस्ट्रक्शन, सो दिस यानी जो इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट हैं उनके लिए तो ये डेवलपमेंटल गोल है. एक कंट्री के डेवलपमेंट के लिए ये इम्पॉर्टेंट है कि डैम्स का कंस्ट्रक्शन किया जाए, ठीक है, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जनरेट हो सकेगी. बट एट द सेम टाइम दिस विल नॉट बी डेवलपमेंट फॉर दीज आदिवासीज, दोज हु आर living in these dam site, okay, because these people will be displaced for the construction. Okay, so it may be a developmental goal if these people will be rehabilitated somewhere. इन लोगों को कहीं और किसी जगह पे सेटल किया जाए और उनको प्रॉपर कंस्ट्रक्शन वर्क या कोई और अपॉर्चुनिटी प्रोवाइड की जाए, and they can earn their livelihood, and they can send their children to go to school, so that this will be development for them. So at this with this example we conclude here, children, that developmental aspirations are sometimes conflicting. ठीक है, development aspirations जो हैं वो कई बार development हो सकती हैं किसी के लिए, but दूसरे लोगों के लिए वो destructive भी हो सकती है. और ठीक है, so that we conclude with this example, and this एग्ज़ाम्पल इज़ वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट. नर्मदा डैम पे जो सरदार सरोवर डैम बनाया गया है, ये एक बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट इशू था जहाँ पे कि लोगों ने अपनी वॉइस रेज की थी अगेंस्ट दिस डैम कंस्ट्रक्शन. दोज हु आर लिविंग इन दिस नर्मदा वैली, जो जिस रीजन में रहने वाले जो आदिवासीज थे, उन्होंने इसको अपोज़ किया था. ठीक है, और यहाँ पे ये एग्ज़ाम्पल जो है ये आपको लिखना पड़ेगा. इफ़ द क्वेश्चन कम्स व्हाई द डेवलपमेंटल एस्पिरेशंस आर समटाइम्स कॉन्फ्लिक्टिंग, एंड इट वन साइड it is a development for the country, but on the other hand it is destructive. Okay, so this example is very important. You can write their aspirations. So what we have concluded with the help of these help of this example of Adivasis, two concepts of development. First, different person can have different developmental goals. ये हम already conclude कर चुके हैं पिछले example से table 1.1 में, that each person have their own notions. हर व्यक्ति के अपने खुद के ideas हैं development के. And second, development of one may be a destruction for the others. From this example, जो आदिवासीज example था, नर्मदा वैली में रहने वाले लोग जिनको कि डिस्प्लेस कर दिया गया, तो वहाँ से हमने ये कैलकुलेट किया कि कुछ लोगों के लिए जो डेवलपमेंटल गोल है वो ज़रूरी नहीं है कि हर किसी के लिए डेवलपमेंट हो, वो कुछ लोगों के लिए डिस्ट्रक्टिव भी हो सकता है. ठीक है. So children, now move on to the next topic. I wanted to show you the PDF of the chapter. On page number 4 you can see income and other goals. This is our next topic. So इससे पहले section 1.1 table पे हमने देखा, and you might have noticed that people desire for higher income, for profits, regular work, regular or better wages, decent price for their crops, and they wanted to increase their crop production and so on. But in this topic you can see here people also seeks for equality, equal treatment and freedom, self-respect and dignity. Okay, recent discrimination also. So ये भी कुछ important things हैं. हम कह सकते हैं कि other than income, people also seeks for these developmental goals. Understand? So children, we need to understand here that we can measure income, we can calculate money, but there are certain things that we cannot measure, but these things are also very very essential, very important for our life. Okay, so that we will understand with the help of these two examples. I will show you in next slide. You can see here it is also given in your chapter children. With the help of two examples, people also seeks at a mix of goals, right? If you get a job in a far off place, before accepting it you would try to consider many factors apart from income, right? Besides income, you will see, you will check that what facilities you are getting for your families, what is the working atmosphere of that particular place, or what kind of opportunity you are getting to learn from this job. Understand? So you will check the terms and condition. You not only आपका सिर्फ एक गोल जो है वो इनकम या मनी अर्न करना ही नहीं है. Understand? If you are getting high salary job but the working environment is not suitable, right, so it is not safe and secure for you. आपको जैसे किसी आइलैंड पे भेज दिया जाए और आपको कह दिया जाए कि आपको 1 लाख सैलरी दी जाएगी, but you are not feeling safe there, and environment is not safe, right? And you are working in very worst condition like a bonded labor. So is that suitable for you? No, right? So working condition is also very important, जहाँ पे कि आपका working environment safe हो, आपकी self respect हो, security हो, and you are getting freedom also. ठीक है, तो ये चीज़ों को भी हम ध्यान में रखते हैं. सिर्फ 1 लाख सैलरी, हम सिर्फ सुनने में बहुत अच्छा लगता है. इट साउंड्स गुड दैट वन वी आर गेटिंग 1 लाख सैलरी. ओके ओके, आई एम रेडी टू डू दिस वर्क. बट इफ़ यू आर गेटिंग नो फ्रीडम, नो सिक्योरिटी, नो सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट, ठीक है, आपसे बहुत ही आपका एक्सप्लॉयटेशन हो रहा है, and you are not safe and secure, so will you be able to do such kind of job? आई थिंक नो. ठीक है, आपको किसी आइलैंड पे भेज दिया गया, 2 साल तक आपको वहाँ पे बॉन्डेड लेबर की तरह रखा गया और आपको सेफ और सिक्योर एनवायरनमेंट नहीं मिला, लेकिन आपकी सैलरी 1 लाख पर मंथ थी. सो आई थिंक दैट इज़ नॉट अ डेवलपमेंटल गोल फॉर यू. योर माइंड needs some kind of security, freedom and self respect. Okay, so these points cannot be ignored, and these points at the same time cannot be measured also. Okay, but they are mean a lot in our lives. So you can take the next example. It is true that if women are engaged in paid work, their dignity in the household and society increases. Okay, if अगर हम देखते हैं हमारी सोसाइटी में कोई वर्किंग वुमेन है, शी गेट्स अ लॉट ऑफ रिस्पेक्ट इन हर फैमिली बिकॉज शी इज़ एन अर्निंग मेंबर. इवन जो लोगों के परसेप्शन होते हैं वो चेंज हो जाते हैं सोसाइटी में. जो वर्किंग वुमेन है उनको एक देखने का जो अंदाज़ है वो बदल जाता है. शी इज़ गेटिंग अ लॉट ऑफ रिस्पेक्ट, ओके, इन सोसाइटी. बट एट द सेम टाइम दोज वुमेन हु आर वर्किंग इनसाइड, they are working household work, they are not getting any kind of salary. So हमें उनको भी तो उतनी ही रिस्पेक्ट देनी चाहिए, राइट? एंड इफ़ वी विल प्रोवाइड safe and secure environment, maybe our parents or our society, okay, they would allow more women to work outside, and they could also earn for their family. They could also run any business, they could run any job. Okay, so in this way, people look at mix of goals. Understand? I hope you are getting all these points. So other than income, people, everybody wants to earn more income, but here we seek some other things also. That is not basically these are non materialistic happiness. Understand? Which actually increase our happiness. Unemployment wants job to earn money, फार्मर वॉन्ट्स गुड प्राइस फॉर हिज क्रॉप्स. ये सारी चीज़ें जो हैं वो इनकम से जनरेट होती हैं. बट द क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ ऑल्सो डिपेंड्स अपॉन नॉन मटेरियल थिंग्स. लाइक पीपल वॉन्ट इक्वल ट्रीटमेंट, दे वॉन्ट फ्रीडम टू लिव, they want opportunity to learn, they want respect from others. Understand? So you can check all these terms and conditions before you accepting any kind of job. You will not see only the income part. Okay, besides income you also need happiness. You want a mixed set of goals for development, because children, money can buy materialistic happiness, but our quality of life depends on some नॉन मटेरियलिस्टिक स्केल. ओके, नॉन मटेरियलिस्टिक स्केल क्या होता है? हमारी इक्वलिटी, हमारे फ्रीडम, जो हमें अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलती है लाइफ में, जो हमें डिग्निफाइड वे में देखे, जो हमें रिस्पेक्ट दे सोसाइटी में. ओके, रिस्पेक्ट, वॉट एवर यू गिव यू विल गेट इट. ओके, सो इन दिस वे people have different mix of goals for your development. And before accepting any kind of job, we check all these terms and conditions, and we should check our priorities. Understand? So this is it, this is given in this topic. Apart from income, besides income, we have some other goals also. That is quality of life, that depends on non material things. एंड नॉन मटेरियल थिंग्स को मेजर करना बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट है, बट येस, इग्नोर करना नहीं चाहिए. राइट? इग्नोरेंस ऑफ नॉन मटेरियलिस्टिक हैप्पीनेस कैन क्रिएट डिस्टर्बेंस, and it can take our mental peace. Understand? So we cannot ignore all these things. I hope you understand. Now we can conclude here. Yes, people tend to look at a mix goals for their development. Understand? So children, today we have covered this topic and concluded three important things. First, different people have different goals and everyone have their own notions, right? And for example, we have shown you in first slide that people seeks for different things. ठीक है, हमने फर्स्ट स्लाइड में देखा था दिस वन, डिफरेंट पर्सन्स हैव डिफरेंट डेवलपमेंटल गोल्स. देन सेकेंड, डेवलपमेंटल एस्पिरेशंस आर समटाइम्स कॉन्फ्लिक्टिंग विद द हेल्प ऑफ नर्मदा वैली एग्जाम्पल. एंड देन थर्ड, different people look at mix of goals. So we have concluded these three important perspective about development. I hope all of you are clear. That's all for this video. We will cover next topic in next video. Thank you all of you.